A blood-red lake hidden deep in Iraq's desert was never witnessed by travelers or scientists on the ground. It was discovered not through boots on the ground, but by the cold, unblinking eyes of satellites. In 2007, users on Google Earth stumbled upon a bizarre image at coordinates 30.964964 north, 47.105186 east.
A lake glowing an eerie crimson stood out like a wound against the pale earth.
Its shape was unremarkable, oblong, natural-looking, but its color raised immediate alarms.
Was it a glitch, a pollution incident, or something far more mysterious? At first, it looked too real to be fake.
Zooming in on the image revealed sharp boundaries, clean transitions, and no signs of editing. The internet was quick to react. Reddit forums exploded with posts about the strange lake. Some users claimed it was a blood pool, perhaps from a nearby slaughterhouse. Others said it might be algae, though they admitted the saturation was unnaturally uniform. Many believed it was a toxic spill covered up by military authorities. Theories were as wild as the imagery itself. Let's start with what we know for sure. The lake did exist in one specific satellite pass. Subsequent images from the same location in different months show normal, dull green water, or no water at all. Whatever caused the red hue didn't last long. Scientists began to weigh in. Some pointed to Dunaliella salina, a salt-loving algae that can turn entire bodies of water red. It's common in places like Lake Urmia in Iran and the Dead Sea. But skeptics pointed out that no other lakes in Iraq ever showed this level of pigmentation. Others suggested halobacteria, microbes that produce red pigments in oxygen-depleted environments. Still, those phenomena usually develop over time. This lake changed in weeks. Could it be industrial? Nearby, factories and processing plants operate with little regulation. But that doesn't explain why the satellite image vanished. Why would Google Earth remove such a harmless image if it were only algae or pollution? This is where military theories begin. Iraq in the 2000s was filled with active and classified operations. What if the Red Lake was part of a weapons test, or a dumping ground for expired chemical agents? The idea may sound extreme, but similar incidents have occurred. Reports from the 1990s confirmed mustard gas and VX storage in southern Iraq. What if remnants of these agents leaked into groundwater? And what if someone somewhere didn't want that noticed? Soon after the image went viral, Google Earth blurred the location. New passes of the satellite showed nothing unusual. It was as if the Red Lake never existed. Was it an error corrected or a truth erased? Some users believe the lake was a hoax, a photoshopped image snuck into a satellite dataset. But experts argue that's near impossible. Google Earth sources data from NASA, ESA, and third parties. Tampering with those servers would require access that very few have. So we're left with two possibilities. Either the blood red lake was a freak natural phenomenon never verified on site, or it was something that someone wanted to erase. To this day, there has never been a public explanation. No government report, no scientific paper, no admission of error. Just one fleeting glimpse, a digital scar on the surface of our planet. Thousands still visit the coordinates each year, hoping to see something, but they only find silence. The Red Lake of Iraq remains one of Google Earth's greatest unsolved mysteries. And perhaps that's why we keep searching, not just for answers, but for the stories that satellites whisper from space.